Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to receive Bitcoin on Trust Wallet step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type BTC. From the results, select Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. This will open the Bitcoin token page. Now tap the Receive button. You'll see your Bitcoin wallet address and a QR code. To receive Bitcoin, copy this wallet address or share the QR code with the sender. Make sure the sender is sending Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. Important reminder, Bitcoin does not use destination tags or memos. However, always double-check the wallet address before sending. Once the transaction is sent, your Bitcoin will appear in your Trust Wallet after the Bitcoin network confirms it. And that's it. You've successfully received Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.